going on a fun trip?
NASA.
Yes! NASA! Well, we're going to NASA. Look at her shirt. Are you excited to go there?
That's NASA.
True. Look at that little monster.
What is that monster name?
It's an alien.
Alien monster. It's going to the space.
He is in space, and we're gonna go to NASA and see what's up.
Yeah. What is in there?
Well, we're gonna be back, and when we're back, you guys are gonna see us at NASA. So see y'all in a little.
What's in NASA?
A lot of things we're about to see when we go there.
Maybe there's some. Oh, there was some plane. There was a plane. I found one. Remember?
Spaceships? Yeah.
A plane.
There's spaceships and like
Plane.
astronauts.
A plane. I see one and plane at NASA. Remember?
Yeah.
I go to NASA. Remember?
Yeah, you did.
So I'm gonna go to NASA.
Yes, NASA.
NASA is the best one. That's like my sword.
Woo!
My sword. And that's like cheese sword and that's like Sarah's sword.
Yes, so we're finally here at NASA. Look at those two spaceships.
Yes, that's cool.
Do you like it? They're so big, like it's so pretty.
Like it's like that's like big.
They have the same mark on your shirt. Look,
Oh yeah.
they
This
do.
one, this sword is ripped, but it's ripped.
They have the same little sign.
Yeah, but it's ripped. But it's ripped.
Yes.
Yeah, but the same. Every NASA sword is ripped.
Do you want to read about it?
Yeah, every NASA sword is ripped, right?
Blue, red, and white.
Nice.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go to NASA.
Go. Oh, what is this?
I don't know what this
Is this the Apollo spacecraft?
Yeah,
Did you watch Apollo? Was it Apollo 13?
yeah. I didn't watch it before.
In 1966.
Yeah, I didn't watch it. I didn't go.
This is so cool. Like they actually used this in 1966 and it's 2019 now.
What's the color white?
It has white, red.
Why is white?
Well, those are the signature colors.
These are the signature colors?
Yes.
I have the sign over there. So we can have the. Also, I have pepper there.
Mommy.
I'm not from the whip shirt. I can't believe what's the color red. This one is all red, but it's not. That's like it's all red. My shirt, but it's all red. That's that.
Yes.
This and the plane.
Wow. Wow.
It's up the plane. Every plane goes, we're going to the plane.
Let's go.
Let's wait.
Wow.
Bye. We're going up there, and the plane's down there, and
Wow.
that's where they go.
Let's go.
That's where they go.
So big. Oh my God.
Here.
Yes.
We're going to NASA. We're going into the plane.
Yes. Okay. So we're here at NASA now. We're about to go inside and see all the cool spaceships and airplanes. Oh, are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go then.
Is that process NASA?
Yes.
Light up the plane.
Yes. So we are here at NASA now. We're inside and we're about to check out what there is, like what fun things to do. Let's go.
Let's go to NASA from the plane. New glasses that I bought.
meteorites. I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry. Meteorites?
Yeah, but
They're from space. They're called meteorites, but I don't know how to say that. So we gonna pretend like I said it right. It's so cool. Let's go check something out. Something else. Like, you wanna go outside? Oh, is that what they land on the moon?
Yes, the first man who landed on the moon used this ship to get on the moon.
Oh my God, Omar, these are some Mars rovers. That's what they like take to Mars.
It's moving.
Yeah.
This one is not moving.
We're working with lasers, and this is called a light beam. And so the objective is to move a beam of light to here and strike the moon. So if you want to take the challenge,
Yeah, what's this?
Wait, say that again?
the light
Yeah.
is striking mirrors and hitting the moon, but you have to figure out what angle you want to use. Now you can't use these mirrors. Okay, this only two mirrors you can use are this one and that one. And you have to set up the angle. Yeah, you get it. You have to set up the angle so that it will slip. You see the beam? It shows you where it's supposed to go. It goes in a straight line, unless hit by a mirror, unless it hits a mirror.
So what happens when it hits the moon?
What happens when it hits the moon?
Yeah.
Look outside, you tell me. Tonight, when the light of the sun hits the moon, what do you see?
Bright.
What is it?
Bright and white.
It's reflecting the light of the sun, so
Yeah. The moon doesn't glow in the dark.
nope. It's great.
Unless if you put a trillion lights.
Unless you put a trillion lights in it, which is what the sun does, pretty much.
Which, if you put the moon in front of the sun for too
Oh.
long, it turns from the moon to a blood moon because of the sun.
True.
It reflects, the sunlight reflects the moon, and then the moon reflects the earth. That allows us to see the blood moon. I'm right?
Yes.
You're very
well,
right.
a
I guess
blood moon
the-
has a lot to do with what time of year it is, as well as what's in the atmosphere. So a blood moon means that there's a whole lot of stuff and junk in the atmosphere. Yep. So now we need to use the laser. Now let me do the adjustments here. Okay.
Now watch right here. If you've aligned these mirrors right, you should see a red dot there. And all he's doing is fine tuning it.
Yep.
There. Bingo. Now watch this.
Oh.
Okay, ready to see something really
Yeah.
cool? Okay.
I've seen this part.
You see that? You should see it in your physics class.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
There you go. You can see it hitting here to 90, hitting it here, 45s, and then changing it up over there.
That is so cool.
That's a law, actually. It's a law of reflection.
It is.
Have you heard that law? Angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. And that happens every time. That cool? Guess what you get to learn? I
Blood laser.
don't know why this is
What did this one do?
And that's because this is done
getting weak. But that's pretty cool, I thought.
That is cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Number one.
Wow, look at this. Look, I'm over here.
I got it. Look, it's moving it. Yeah. My feet doesn't fit up.
Your feet don't fit up?
Yeah. This is... There we go.
Is it fun?
Where is it going?
To the moon.
It's going the wrong way. It's broken.
Oh yeah, that's the spaceship.
That's a spaceship. That's not. No. That's not. Is that the plane?
That's a spaceship. It's not a plane.
Where's the plane?
There's no plane, it's spaceship.
Why?
this is one of the games here, and I don't know, we're gonna play it and see what happens.
Okay, how it works?
Okay, so you have to capture the satellite.
Is that right?
Wait, can you move it? Oh, okay, get closer to it. Get closer to it. See that thing? Get closer, you're pushing it away. This is the astronaut stuff. So this is what they ate in like the spaceship and what they had. This is like all the things they had, like the astronauts who went like on the first trips and stuff. This is all of their stuff. Like that's the glove and that's their clothes. That is pretty cool. Is that the seat? Yeah. That's the ejection seat. That is so cool. It says during the Force 4 shuttle flights, the space shuttle Columbia was equipped with a pair of ejection seats. One of the commander. Okay, so technically those are the seats that were on the plane. On the spaceship. Oh, look at the spaceship. Oh, look at that one. That is so cool.
But that one is so little.
It's a little spaceship.
Yeah, it's small.
Oh, look at the astronauts' clothes.
Look, it's just like me.
Ooh. It's little like you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the astronaut. They're wearing gloves. They're wearing gloves.
Yeah, that's their clothes. That's what they had to wear on space.
Yeah. But I'm not wearing like this on the space. That's I don't have costume like this.
Oh, we can get... This is the NASA spaceship. It is so huge. Oh my god.
Yes. This is the plane. This is the plane.
Yeah, what is it? Look at that. There's an astronaut hanging. Omar. Look at that. Look at the astronaut.
Oh, the astronaut is going up. How?
Because that's how it is in space. There's no gravity.
Yeah, but waiting, wait, so.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Why is waiting a white one?
Because that's the one that they had to wear in space. They had to wear a white one.
And they have epic gloves. We're on a NASA, but there is so many things. What's this?
This is the spaceship from the inside. This is so cool.
I'm gonna fall on this.
No. Wait, look at this.
What's this?
That's how they were. They had no gravity.
But they have no gravity.
Well, in space, there's no gravity. So they like flow.
Well, I don't want to go on this one. Because I think I don't want to go to this one.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm going to fall on this one. What's this guy doing?
He is floating.
I don't want to float.
Look, that's the video of him when he was actually in space.
I don't want to float.
Yeah, look, that's a real video of him.
Yeah, but I don't want to float.
This is inside the
What's this
spaceship.
guy?
It's an astronaut. Look at him. That was him when he was in space and he was like floating.
Like this guy, he's not wearing some socks.
Oh yeah, that's how they had to shower. Look up there. That's where that's how they had to eat and that's where they had to sleep.
But but he's not talking.
Yeah, that's where they had to sleep.
He's real or he's not real.
He's not real. That's
I got you, bro.
Oh my my god, this is so cool. It looks so real though. That's how they that's what they had to do in space. Like
To
they were
transport from one place to another. Those are their gadgets and the like devices that they had to use on the moon while they were like in the spaceship.
Into the plane.
Alright, so we're gonna go inside that plane. It's so big. We're gonna go all the way up there.
It's all white. Why is it all white?
Alright, let's go and see.
This is the spaceship. You go inside, you're gonna find a lot of cool stuff. Lot of windows and lot of stuff.
Breast?
Yeah. That's it. And then do a lot. Oh yeah.
This is so cool. So this airplane carries the spaceship so it can fly to space.
Go.
Wait, you have to go back and let the airplane carry the spaceship. Okay?
It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Move it, move Wait, I need to move it. Move this when you go when the plane is over there. You see it?
Yay! Are you having fun so far?
Yeah. The toys is not fun. These are the plane is fun.
The plane is fun though?
Yeah.
Yeah, the plane is pretty nice. So this is the plane that holds the spaceship. So we were just inside of it and we're about to go to the spaceship to see what is in there. Like it's so cool.
This is the plane. This is the spaceship.
Yeah, that's the plane that carries the spaceship. It carries the spaceship so like it can help push it to space. Yeah, a plane carries the spaceship. I know, that is so cool. Like a plane carries it.
The toys and the things is not fun. The plane is fun.
So we're about to go inside the spaceship, the actual spaceship. It's the one on top of the airplane.
What spaceship don't have these?
Wings?
Yeah.
Because yeah, they do. They do have little wings. Yeah, they have wings. Right here.
Here? Light and
Wow.
I can go up there.
Wow.
See? Actually, the picture, I can't go up there.
Oh my god, this is an actual astronaut.
Astronaut.
Is that where they had to like
Spaceship, but dirty. It's dirty, but I kind of a little bit dirty. The spaceship close.
Yeah. So this is actually the astronaut's capsule.
So all it has no
They like
gravity.
use the restroom here. It's so fun. So this is the suit. Look, Omar, this is the astronaut's suit. Like that's what they use to go on the like moon and stuff. That is so
Mira, aquí están los dos.
It's fun.
Tiene que estar todo.
It's fun? Do you like it?
Y luego
How many
se
stuff
meten ahí.
is there? Right?
Right? This is so cool. We're under the plane. Like, it's so cool.
We're down of it.
Yeah, we just finished going through the entire plane, which is
I can touch it. I can't touch it.
how big it is.
No. I can't touch it. I can't touch it.
Wow. Look how big this spaceship is. This entire thing went to space. That is so cool. Can you believe it, Omar? This whole thing
I can't
went to
believe it.
I know, right? This is crazy. Like, this whole thing went to space. What?
There you go on the
It's
plane.
humongous.
There,
Like, look
there.
at all this.
There you go on the plane. There. There. Over there. Over there. Yes, I want to plane.
Wow.
The plane. There's an airplane.
So big. Look how big the tires are.
You go there from the plane. There.
Yeah, those tires are so big. Like, that's the airplane's tire. Like, this is so crazy. And that up there, that's the spaceship. The one that went to the moon. This is so cool. Like, this airplane
No.
lifted up. Or
No.
like, yeah.
It's so cool.
Right? It's so cool. It's crazy.
Sarah,
Yes.
you know where you go to the plane?
Where? That's the entrance?
Yeah. When you go to the plane.
No,
over
that's
there.
the exit.
Yeah. Where you go from the plane?
We're about to go inside
Yeah.
and
Is this a toy?
yeah, that is a toy.
Yeah.
But this is inside and this is so cool.
Let's use the toy.
Look over there, Omar.
Yeah.
The little video there, that's an actual astronaut. He was here and he was turning like that because of gravity. Yeah, they didn't have any
They
gravity.
didn't have. They could only float
That's why
around.
he's turning like that.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at here, Omar. This is where they sleep. That's where they have to sleep. And that's how they have to take a shower and like eat up there.
I know, but it's scary.
Yeah, it is kind of scary how they had to eat and like take a shower.
That's the transportation, like that's where they transported. That was all their equipment that they had like in their spaceship. That's a satellite. That was their food and like their drinks that they had. That's the food shuttle, and that's the stuff that they used on the spaceship. Those are just two types of shuttle seats. And those are just 3 spaceships. One of them just goes around the Earth. And those are just the astronauts' clothes. That's just a spaceship.
Okay.
Go, go, go!
You have to make it inside the laser, like the laser inside. Okay, you're all stop. No. Go back up. Go back. Okay. You wait. You got it. Right there. In space, like on Mars and stuff, so it can like send information about the weather and how the climate is. It's just to keep track. Because you know how they say we might move to Mars to live there? I don't believe that, but we'll see. Right? Like with this generation, who knows? Maybe we can live on Mars. So this is like everything they use to like keep track of the temperature. Ooh, is this inside the capsule? This is so cool. That's how the astronauts had to sit down.
It's gonna fall.
Alright, let's go, Omar.
You fish shot.
Emma, do you like it? Oh my god. Emma, look this.
Astronaut. Wow. So cool.
Emma, look this.
Satellite.
Just take a paper and draw. It's better with the markers, with the sharps. Yeah, with this. Yeah, just draw whatever you want. Okay. In the black and the white.
Look at this.
This is so cool.
For me, it would be like really to visit your city, you know.
You can only see the blue, and then you can only see the.
I look like Peppa.
Not look. You can only see the blue here, and you can only see the pink here.
And this is just some astronauts' clothes and like what they wore. Those are just some pictures of like all of the astronauts and the people who worked on the team. And this right here is the first astronaut. this is their clothes that they had to wear in space.
Those are the astronauts' clothes.
This car is all silver.
Yes, this is all their clothes. This is what they have to wear in space. People that went to space, and even though, like, he's the first person who landed on the moon, and those are all of them. This is so cool. So, those Apollo 11 are the first people who landed on the moon.
It looks like water. It looks like water.
Yeah. Wait, this is so cool. Those are all the people.
And those are just some different hail. Like you have some small ones, some soft ones. And those are some large hails, and you just have like different type of hails. And that's just a female astronaut.
Ladies and gentlemen, Space Center Houston will be closing in 10 minutes, and we must say goodnight.
This food. Yeah.
Those are M&M's.
They eat M&M's?
Yeah, this is not healthy.
No, it's healthy.
And this is not healthy.
Look, this food for him.
This is what I eat.
This tool, what to use it? Laptop, brush.
Those are the clothes that they wore up there, and over here are just some belongings that they took with them or they chose to take with them, like this chessboard and those gloves. It's stuff that they used or just like wanted to take with them. And like I said, those are just some clothes that they wore. And those are just some personal stuff that the astronauts took with them.
Use black paper and white paper, okay? Draw, just. Yeah, you
One of the wet ones. This is the wet one. To a white piece of paper.
Yeah. Hey, don't forget to use the blue one.
I'm gonna draw here anything.
I can draw my name.
Okay.
Can't draw.
Okay, now let's see what happens if we use this in black paper. So we have the black paper. I'm going to explain both of you. Let's see. I'm going to explain to you, or do you know what happened? No? Okay. Now, he already took part in the activity.
Yeah.
Okay. So just use these filters on your drawing and let's see what happens. Look at this. You see?
The blue thing is gone.
Uh-huh. The blue.
The blue one disappeared.
Yeah. And you see? There is no face over here. Okay, guys, so what happened over here? So the light or is absorbed or maybe is reflect. When you use our blue filters in our drawings, you see what color disappear? The blue one, because the blue light has been absorbed. Or maybe, in this case, the red light has been absorbed. Okay, so did you hear something about a black hole some weeks ago? Yeah, in the news? Yeah? Did you hear about it? So the picture of the black hole, it was so important because we need to use a lot of these filters in order to take that picture. Now, remember, the light or is reflected or maybe is absorbed. With the white color, the light is reflected. The black color is absorbed. So maybe in a sunny day, it's better that you wear white clothes because it is going to reflect the light. But light is going to absorb it. Okay? And to distinguish the colors, go the lights over here and reflect to our eyes just the color. So it is a color blue, or maybe it's a pink one. Okay? So yeah. Do you want to stamp? You want to stamp? Yeah. Okay. Science is a blast. Okay, and okay. Yeah. Okay. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
You like it?
So you want to buy one? What is this?
This is the sun.
Oh. You want to?
Wow.
You can grab everything. Let's go.
Yes. Do you like it?